Good day, Mombasalo. I will be reciting 30 terminologies for forest extension, communication, and knowledge management. Number 1, audiovisual. Movies, slide presentation, exhibits, posters, charts, graphs, and other three-dimensional media-like models, dioramas, etc. Number 2, audience, kind of people, their education, abilities, needs, location, etc. Number 3, biological diversity or biodiversity, the variety of life in all its forms and all its levels of organization. Biodiversity refers to diversity of genetics. Number 4, broadcast, radio or television programs. Number 5, carrying capacity, the maximum number of individuals of a wildlife species that an area can support during the most unfavorable time of the year. Number 6, community, a collection of living organisms thriving in an organized system through which water, energy, and nutrients cycle. Number 7, critical area, land and its tributaries is subject to forestry and other land use regulations. Number 8, crop tree, a young tree of a desirable species with certain characteristics desired for timber value, water, quality enhancement, or wildlife or aesthetic uses. Number 9, cruise, a forest survey used to obtain inventory information and develop a management plan. Number 10, deciduous, shedding or losing leaves annually, the opposite of evergreen. Trees such as maple, ash, cherry, and larch are deciduous. Number 11, defects, characteristics of an individual tree that reduce its quality and utility. Number 12, den tree, a tree with cavities suitable for birds or mammals to nest in. Number 13, ecology, the study of interactions between organisms and their environment. Number 14, ecosystem, organisms and the physical factors that make up their environment. Number 15, ecotone, a transition area between two distinct but adjoining communities. Number 16, extension forester, a cooperative extension service professional who educates woodland owners on how they can effectively manage their forests. Number 17, felling, the cutting of standing trees. Number 18, forest, a biological community dominated by trees and other woody plants. Number 19, group selection, a process of harvesting patches of trees to open the forest canopy and encourage the reproduction of uneven age stands. Number 20, habitat, the ecosystem in which a plant or animal lives and obtains food and water. Number 21, hardwoods, a general term encompassing broadleaf deciduous trees. Number 22, harvest, the cutting, felling, and gathering of forest timber. Number 23, herbaceous vegetation, low-growing non-woody plants including wildflower and ferns in a forest understory. Number 24, introduced species, a non-native species that was intentionally or unintentionally brought into an area by humans. Number 25, logger, an individual who harvests timber for a living. Number 26, method demonstration, presentation of different procedures in accomplishing a given activity. Number 27, mast, nuts and seeds such as acorns, beech nuts, and chestnuts of trees that serve as food for wildlife. Number 28, non-game wildlife, wildlife species that are protected by state wildlife laws and cannot be hunted. Examples include songbirds, eagles, etc. Number 29, regeneration cut, timber harvest designed to promote natural establishment of trees. And number 30, release to remove overtopping trees that compete with understory or suppressed trees. That would be all.